Let me show you how to use cosmetics mods in Repo. So first of all, you will need to download a mod that allows you to use cosmetics, and the best way is to just visit this website and then download the mod called More Head. For that also you can download additional head options, the cosmetic options, and you can try to find them. There's one here, another one right here, and there's plenty of different options you can use. You can even use them along with each other. So we're gonna go for this one, and then I've made a dedicated video on how to install mods. You can watch it if you like. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually use them, as I have them already downloaded and applied to my game. If you need tutorial for this, you can, as I said, watch it on my channel. And now let me open the game. I will speed it up just to show you that. So when we have our game opened, all you have to do is host a game, join the game, or play it in single player, which I'm gonna do. Now when the game is finished loading, we can hit escape, and then in the bottom left corner you can find More Head. All you have to do is just select it like that, and then you can choose different cosmetics for your dude. And that is basically everything. When you just select them, then they will be applied to your character. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.